In this question, a conical vessel is given. This is the conical vessel, and the radius and height of the conical vessel is given. That is, both the dimensions are given, and this is completely filled with water. And a sphere is lowered into the water, and its size is such that when it touches the sides, it just immersed, right? What fraction of water overflows? That we need to find out. So if the sphere is shown in green and the conical vessel is blue, then this is the volume of water which is overflows, which I have shown outside of the vessel, right? And this is the right angle triangle which is formed. Just see this as a inverted right circular cone, right? So in triangle ABO, apply the Pythagoras, and we are knowing the value of radius and height, so we get the value of hypotenuse, that is AO, as 10, right? So AO is calculated as 10 centimeter. Now since the sphere is touching the walls of the conical vessel, right? So this will be perpendicular, right? And this is the radius. Just see that AO is the tangent to the circle which is looking as a sphere over here, right? Though a sphere is a three-dimensional object and circle is a two-dimensional. So here you can see the radius of the sphere is perpendicular to the vessels of the vessel conical vessel, right? So from previous triangle ABO, get the value of sine theta, that is 6 by 10, and in triangle OQP, that is the smaller triangle which is covering the radius of the sphere, the sine theta is PQ by PO, and what is the value of PO? It's BO minus BP. BO is 8, that is the height of the cone, and BP is the radius. So we know the value of sine theta. Put up the value of sine theta over here as 3 by 5 and calculate the value of R, because this is a linear equation in one variable, to get the value of R as 3 centimeter. And the fraction of water overflows is given by the volume of the sphere divided by the volume of the conical vessel, right? Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where R is capital R, radius is capital R, which we have calculated as 3. Just put up the value of 4 by 3 pi r cube for a sphere, and the volume of the conical vessel is 1 by 3 pi r square h, because we know the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here R and H are a small r and a small h, which the value of which is given into the question initially, right? So on solving, we get the value of the fraction, or as the fraction as 3 by 8, which is our answer, right? So fraction of water overflow is 3 by 8.